Welcome to solverfy.
Hi there. In this question, we have a sample of propane, so C3H8, and we are told how many hydrogen atoms we have in this sample. We have 9.44 times 10 to the 24th hydrogen atoms. And we have a couple of questions here. Our first question wants to know how many carbon atoms are in this. All right, well, we can do this in one step by looking at the formula, because we see in the formula that for every 8 hydrogen atoms, so I'm looking at the subscripts, for every 8 hydrogen atoms, there are 3 carbon atoms. So hydrogen atoms will cancel, and we can calculate how many carbon atoms we have, which is 3.54 times 10 to the 24th carbon atoms. All right, so that's the answer to the first part of the question. Second part of the question wants to know the total mass of this sample. So I'm going to start over again with our 9.44 times 10 to the 24th hydrogen atoms. And I want to convert that to moles of hydrogen. All right, so to do that, I need to divide by Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd hydrogen atoms in every mole of hydrogen. All right, so we're dividing by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. So hydrogen atoms will cancel. In our next step then, I need to convert to the moles of the compound that we have. So looking at the compound, for every mole of C3H8, there are 8 moles of the hydrogen. All right, so moles of hydrogen will cancel. Now we have moles of the compound, and we know how to get to mass from here. We just need to multiply by the molar mass. So 1 mole of C3H8, if we take 3 times the mass of carbon and add that to 8 times the mass of hydrogen, we get 44.10 grams. All right, we are ready to calculate our answer and round it to 3 significant digits, since our original value only had 3 significant digits. And what we get is 86.4 grams of the C3H8. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope these explanations were helpful.